I'm going to use this color palette to start off two abstract paintings. So we'll start with the same colors and then see where we go from there. At this point, I'm almost done with both of these paintings. The first initial color palette and symbols, they're all the same. And now I'm going to start looking for which painting calls to me first and where I have something in mind. And I'll work on each one of these individually. So I'm working on the first painting now, and later on, I will work on the second painting separately. So now I'm almost done with this painting, just a few final finishing touches left. And in the next video, I'll show you the second painting that I did using this exact same color palette, and we'll see in which direction that painting went. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.